Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to NVTI class at English medium. Subject Civics, chapter number 5, Judiciary. Judiciary, what is the role of the judiciary? We have seen the many are court are set up in the different districts, state and the center level. We have seen the different types of court in the different level, center level, state level and the district level also. So what is the role of the judiciary? We have seen the court take the decision are on the large number of issues. We have seen the court take the large number of decision, many of issues. They decide what to do. They say it means if we have seen that court decide, the court gave his judgment that the teachers are not allowed to beat the student, and we have seen any persons broke the law, the court was punished. Next, we have seen many are decisions take the court in the different levels. So the court are different work on the different level, different work in the different level. Jaise firstly we have says dispute the resolution. Dispute the resolutions means the judicial system provide the mechanism for the resolving dispute between the peoples and people, between the people and the government, between the two states and the central government and the state also. So this type of decision take the judicial system. If the two peoples are create the dispute, दो लोगों के बीच dispute होता है, then we have seen the create dispute between the peoples and the government also, and we have seen sometimes the create the dispute between the two states and sometimes create the dispute between the two state is central level and the state level. So this type of dispute create and final decision taken by the judiciary. Second, the judicial reviews. Key, the final interpreted to constitution, the judicial judiciary also have power to resolve the particular passed by the parliament. It believes that if means says that if any law passed by the parliament, if any law passed by the government, a parliament, but he was not a favor for the peoples. So the judiciary are take the decision. It means we have also says that the parliament passed the law to change the structure of our constitution, but this change to weak our constitution. this type of decision to review goes to the parliament, and lastly take the decision, goes to the judiciary. So the final decision taken by the judiciary also. And third, the fundamental rights. Fundamental, upholding the law and approaching the fundamental rights. We have seen our constitution gave the 6 fundamental rights to every peoples, but we have seen the different levels to approaching to destroy. We have seen our fundamentals not found the help. So we have goes to the court. You have read the story in your books कि one person's agricultural labor fall down in the train and he was not found the primary treatment because any hospital have not to admit his hospital. So our article 21 was misused. So the railway department gave the compensation in this situation. So this type of rule are judiciary.